Hello viewer, welcome to software testing. As part of SQL tutorial, today I'll talk about aggregate function. Then there is a question, what is aggregate function? An aggregate function is a function that performs a calculation on sets of value and return a single value. Most commonly used aggregate functions are minimum, maximum, sum, average, count. Aggregate function ignores null value except for counts. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you a step-by-step process how to write a query using aggregate function. Now I am at computer screen. In order to write our query, we'll use Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio Express. Let's open that. This is our Microsoft SQL Server Express. Here is the AdventureWorks 2019 database. We'll work on that. Those who are new in Microsoft SQL Server Express and need to know how to download, install and set up, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. Once you are in here, right click in the database. Your database name might vary, then click new query. So here first we need to see the what data we have in our table. So write the query, select star from sales dot salesperson. We need to see this table, what data we have. Execute. You see we have a multiple column over here. We need to work on the bonus column, bonus, bonus column. First we need to see how many data we have in this table. That command is count. This is the interview question also. Sometimes the interviewer asks how many data we have in our table, how to figure it out. Those kind of question comes in the interview. So first thing, select count, then star from sales dot salesperson. So that means this will give you the return total, how many data, how many row we have in this table as total row. So if we run this query, select, then execute, it will give you 17 row data we have. Then we need to see bonus. What is the minimum bonuses we have? That means that function is minimum. So select minimum bonus from sales dot salesperson. This will give you return minimum bonus we have as minimum bonus. If you run this query, it will give you the minimum bonus. Execute, it is $0. Now we need to do the maximum. What is the highest bonus in here? Max. Here we can change max, and also here we can say max bonus from the salesperson. If you run this query, it will give you the maximum bonus we have. Then execute. You see the $6,700 is the maximum bonus. Then we can see the average bonus what we have. AVG. That function is AVG. So if we do over here average AVG, here will be AVG bonus. So if we run this query, select and then execute, you see this is the average bonus. Now we can see the count, minimum, maximum, average. Now we can see the total bonus what we pay, the total bonus. That function is sum. Just modify this command, sum. Here will be the total bonus. So if we run this query, select, then execute. You see the total bonus is $48,610. That means in this way you can implement your aggregate function in your query. If needed minimum, maximum, if you need to count it, or if you need to sum it, average it, in this way you can use your aggregate function for day-to-day purpose in your SQL query. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in SQL as well as aggregate function, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.